Welcome to Bank of St. Lucia's Mad About Math, the national mathematics competition. Mathematics, a subject which poses a challenge for many, but in real life, an absolute necessity. Mad About Math was the brainchild of noted mathematician and scientist Javed Samuel, who started this program in the Vieux Comprehensive Secondary School a few years ago. This has brought us to this exciting competition present day. But before we get into the action today, we want to meet our four contestants. From the Leon Hess Comprehensive Secondary School, Mr. Alexi Charles. How are you doing, Alexi?
I'm doing good.
All ready for some mathematics competition today?
I am.
Good. And of course, Miss Sasha Anyus from the Choiseul Secondary School. How are you feeling today, Sasha?
I'm feeling good.
Good. And Mr. Toussaint Javed from the SDA Academy. How are you doing, Toussaint?
I'm feeling fine, thanks.
Great. And of course, Mr. Peter Moyston from the Vieux Comprehensive Secondary School. All set for math action today?
Yes, I am.
When we return, we'll meet our judges and get into some exciting mathematics action. We'll be right back.
Taking the chance on your passion, giving you more, our number one mission. You are the reason we do. Because we believe in you. Yes, you. Hundreds and thousands of you. We're the Bank of St. Lucia, the bank you need.
Welcome back to Mad About Math. And now we introduce our judging panel. We have Miss Janella Giffard, and to her left we have Mr. Ian Hippolyte, and of course to his left, Miss Chrissa Johnny. Please welcome our judges. And what's up for grabs in this exciting competition? First place will receive an iPad with a Bank of St. Lucia bank account valued at 1,000 EC dollars. Second place will receive a Kindle Fire HD and a Bank of St. Lucia bank account valued at $500. The third place winner will receive a Kindle Fire HD and a Bank of St. Lucia bank account valued at 250 EC dollars. And the fourth place winner will receive a Bank of St. Lucia gift pack and a Bank of St. Lucia bank account with 250 EC dollars. And now the rules. There are 5 categories: algebraic word expressions, geometry, number operations, logic, and random selection. Students have 60 seconds to decipher and answer those questions. Once they buzz in, however, they have 10 seconds to answer that question. There are 3 10-question rounds, and at the end, we will crown our 2014 BOSL Mad About Math champions. Now let's get into the action. Algebraic word problems. The question: a child's wading pool contains 200 gallons of water. If water evaporates at the rate of 0.5 gallons per day and no other water is added or removed, how many gallons of water will be in the pool after 30 days? You have 60 seconds. Toussaint.
185 gallons.
That is correct. First on the board. Back to the shuffle we go. Logic questions. And the question: there are 120 seats in a row. What is the fewest number of seats that must be occupied so the next person to be seated must sit next to someone? 60 seconds. Toussaint Javed of SDA Academy.
40 seats.
That is correct. Round of applause for Toussaint. Next question. Geometric questions. Martians measure angles in clets. There are 500 clets in a full circle. How many clets are there in a right angle? Peter from Vieux Comprehensive, you have an answer. 10 seconds. Time. Any other contestants? Alexi from Leon Hess.
125 clips.
125 clothes. That is correct. Round of applause for Alexi. Number operations. And the question. The median of the list n plus 3, n plus 4, n plus 5, n plus 6, n plus 8, n plus 10, n plus 12, n plus 15 is 10. What is the mean? Just to remind you folks at home, the contestants have 60 seconds to answer the question. Sasha from Chazelle Secondary.
N plus 6.
That is unfortunately incorrect. Any other contestants? Feel free to buzz in.
Question. Do you want the actual number or just like the equation with n?
The actual mean number. Judges, how are we for time? You have 10 seconds, guys. That's time. So we move on to the next question. The correct answer for this one, folks, is 11. Random. Could be anything on the board. And your question. A flower bouquet contains pink roses, red roses, pink carnations, and red carnations. 1/3 of the pink flowers are roses. 3/4 of the red flowers are carnations. And 6/10 of the flowers are pink. What percent of the flowers are carnations? Toussaint from SDA Academy.
70%.
That is correct. Round of applause for SDA Academy. To the board we go. Logic questions. And your question. Open bracket 6 question mark 3 plus 4 minus open bracket 2 minus 1 close bracket equals to 5. To make this statement true, the question mark between the 6 and 3 should be replaced by what? Toussaint from SDA Academy.
A division sign.
That is correct. So round of applause for SDA Academy. And back to the boards we go. Geometric questions. And your problem. What is the number of degrees in the smaller angle between the hour hand and the minute hand on a clock that reads 7 o'clock? You have 60 seconds. Toussaint from the SDA Academy.
150 degrees.
That is correct. Round of applause for Toussaint. Very good. Number operations. And the question. Compute 2 open bracket 81 plus 83 plus 85 plus 87 plus 89 plus 91 plus 93 plus 95 plus 97 plus 99 close bracket. Toussaint from SDA Academy.
1,800.
That is correct. A round of applause for SDA. And back to the boards we go. Algebraic word problems, and here's your challenge. Richard has $8.50. He walked 150 meters to the nearest store and spent $1.25 on sweets and gave to his 2 friends $1.20 each. How much money was left? Peter from Vieux Comprehensive.
$4.85.
That is correct. Vieux Comprehensive is on the board with 10 points. And the final question for this round. Random, my favorite category. What is the smallest possible average of 4 distinct positive even integers? You have 60 seconds. Toussaint from SDA Academy.
5.
That is correct. Round of applause. This brings us to the end of the first round of competition. Just to recap the scores, we have Alexi from Leon Hess Comprehensive with 10 points. We have Choselle Secondary, represented by Sasha Anius, yet to get on the board. And we have Toussaint Javed from the SDA Academy, leading the pack with 70 points, followed by Peter Moyston of the Vieux Comprehensive Secondary School with 10 points. We'll be right back with round 2 action after the break.
There's a time in every life when you ponder what do I want out of life. Make deposits a habit, take your money and grow it. Save that seed and plant it, that cash in hand you gotta understand. Save it, increase it, now you've got it. You let your dreams and your money grow when you have a habit of deposit. Start building your wealth today, grow your money with BOSL, all the bank you need.
Welcome back to Bankers St. Lucia's Mad About Math. We're about to get into some exciting round 2 action. But before I do that, how about my audience? Are you feeling mad about math this afternoon? Yeah. All right. Now with that said, let's get into some exciting round 2 action. Straight to the boards. Algebraic word problems and your question. A ream of paper containing 500 sheets is 5 centimeters thick. Approximately how many sheets of this type of paper would there be in a stack 7.5 centimeters high? 60 seconds. Oh, Peter Moyston from Vieux Comprehensive.
750 sheets.
That is correct. Vieux on the board with 20 points. Let's give those categories a shuffle. Algebraic word problems. And the question. Sale prices at the store are 50% below original prices. On Saturdays, an additional discount of 20% off the sale price is given. What is the Saturday price of a coat whose original price is $180? You have 60 seconds. Oh, Sasha from Choselle Secondary.
$54.
That is incorrect. We have Alexi from Leon Hess.
$72.
That is correct, and Leon Hess with 20 points. Let's shake up those categories. Logic questions. And your challenge. There are 24 4-digit numbers that use each of the 4 digits. 2, 4, 5, and 7 exactly once. Listed in numerical order from the smallest to the largest. What is the number in the 17th position? Sasha Anius from Choselle Secondary.
2.
That is incorrect. Other 3 contestants have a chance to answer. SDA Academy.
5,724.
That is correct. Round of applause for SDA Academy. Back to the shuffle. Number operations and your question. The mean of 3 numbers is 10 more than the least of the numbers and 15 less than the greatest. The median of the 3 numbers is 5. What is their sum? Interesting question. Just to remind the folks at home, the contestants have up to 60 seconds to answer each question. Toussaint from the SDA Academy.
25.
That is incorrect. Other contestants, you have a chance to answer. That is time. Unfortunately, we're going back to the shuffle. The correct answer on this one is 30. Random. Let's see your challenge. How many whole numbers between 100 and 400 contain the digit 2? You have 60 seconds. Just to remind the folks at home, the answers are on your screen. We have Peter from Vieux Comprehensive.
30.
That is incorrect. We have Sasha. She was our secondary.
100.
That too is incorrect. Alexi or Toussaint, we have a few seconds to buzz in. Toussaint. You have 10 seconds.
138.
That is correct. Round of applause for the SDA Academy. And we shuffle. Geometric questions and your challenge. A 2 by 2 square is divided into 4 1 by 1 squares. Each small square is painted either green or red. How many ways can the painting be done so no green square shares its top or right side with any red square? Alexi, Leon Hess.
2.
That is incorrect. Toussaint, Sasha, Peter, you have quite some time to answer this question. Peter.
1.
That is incorrect. Toussaint from the SDA Academy.
3.
That too is incorrect. Sasha.
0 ways.
That is incorrect as well. The correct answer is 6. For the benefit of our audience, the answer is up on your screen. On to the shuffle. Random. And your question. A contest began at noon one day and ended 1,000 minutes later. At what time did the contest end? Toussaint from SDA Academy.
4:40 a.m.
That is correct. A round of applause for the SDA Academy. We go back to the boards. Algebraic word problems and your challenge. There are 2 boys for every 3 girls in Miss Johnson's math class. If there are 30 students in her class, what % of them are boys? Toussaint, SDA Academy.
40%.
That is correct. Round of applause for SDA. Okay. We have 2 more questions in this round. The next category, random. And your challenge. In a mathematics contest with 15 problems, a student gains 5 points for a correct answer and loses 2 points for an incorrect answer. If Joan answered every problem and her score was 33, how many correct answers did she have? 60 seconds. Sasha?
She answered 9 correct answers.
9 correct. That is correct. Chazelle Secondary is on the board. Round of applause. And now we're on to the final question of this round. And the category, once again, random. If 5 times a number is 2, then 100 times the reciprocal of the number is? This is the final question in round 2. Toussaint from the SDA Academy.
250.
That is correct. Round of applause. And this brings us to the end of an exciting round 2 of mathematics competition. We'll be right back with the final round of BOSL's Mad About Math. See you in a bit.
You, are the reason we do. The loans that make houses homes, making your business grow, always giving you more, investing in our future, building infrastructure. You, taking the chance on your passion, giving you more, our number 1 mission. You, are the reason we do. Because we believe in you, yes you, hundreds and thousands of you. We're the Bank of St. Lucia, the bank you need.
Welcome back to round 3 of Bank of St. Lucia's Mad About Math competition. This is the final round and there are 100 points up for grabs. But before we get into the heart of this competition, let's recap the scores. We have Alexi Charles from the Leon Hess Comprehensive School with 20 points. We have Sasha Anyus from the Chazelle Secondary School with 10 points. We have Toussaint Javed from the SDA Academy leading the pack with 120 points. And we have Peter Moyston from the Vieux Comprehensive Secondary School in the boards with 20 points as well. Now what's up for grabs in this exciting competition? We're talking about tech gadgets, Bank of St. Lucia bank accounts and so much more. And more importantly, being crowned the 2014 Bank of St. Lucia Mad About Math champion. This is history in the making in mathematics style. So let's get into this last and final round of exciting action. Straight to the boards. Algebraic word problems. And your challenge. Jones' test scores to date are 90, 80, 70, 65, and 85. Her goal is to raise her test average at least 80 points with her next test. What is the minimum test score she would need to accomplish this goal? Remember, there are 100 points up for grabs. Each question is worth 10 points. Toussaint from the SDA Academy.
92.
That is incorrect. We have Sasha from the Chazelle Secondary.
90 points.
That is correct. A round of applause for Sasha. For the folks at home, you will notice that the random tab no longer appears. All the questions in this category have been exhausted. So we have 4 exciting categories left, 9 questions to go, until the exciting climax of the BOSL Mad About Math competition. And to the board we go. Logic questions. When 3 different numbers from the set, open bracket, -3, -2, -1, 4, 5, close bracket, are multiplied, what is the largest possible product? Peter from the Vieux Comprehensive Secondary School.
30.
That is correct. Round of applause for Vieux. And now we're down to 3 categories. 8 questions to go. Logic. Compute 200,000 times 200,000. Write the answer in words. Another question. Toussaint from the SDA Academy. He has 40 billion. That is incorrect.
Trillion.
Alexi from the Leon Hess Comprehensive School. That too is incorrect. Sasha from the Choiseul Secondary School.
400 million.
That is incorrect. Time is up. Just to recap, write your answer in words. So FORTYBILLION. As per the question. Write your answer in words. Purposely written for a purposeful answer. So back to the boards. Isn't math fun, folks? Gotta love it. Logic questions. And the question. This one is a very interesting question, the most interesting of the competition. Bo, Ko, Flo, Joe, and Mo have a different sum of money. Neither Joe nor Bo have as much money as Flo. Both Bo and Ko have more money than Mo. Joe has more than Mo, but less than Bo. Who has the least money? Interesting question. We have Alexi from Leon Hess Comprehensive School.
Mo.
Wow, that is correct. Round of applause for Leon Hess. Just for the edification of our audience, Alexi, care to share how you got that answer?
In the question, I just had to make sense of it. I don't know how to explain it.
Judges, that's an okay answer? A round of applause for Leon Hess Comprehensive. And the two final categories left on the board, number operations and geometric questions. We have 5 questions left. Let's give them a little shuffle. Geometric questions. Jamie counted the number of edges of a cube. Jimmy counted the number of corners. And Judy counted the number of faces. They then added the 3 numbers. What was the resulting sum? We have Sasha from Choiseul Secondary.
26.
That is correct. Round of applause for Choiseul Secondary. So we have Vieux, Choiseul, and Leon Hess tied for 30, and SDA Academy leading with 120 points. 4 questions left. Number operations and the question. The sum of 2 numbers is S. Suppose 3 is added to each number and then each of the resulting numbers is doubled. What is the sum of the final 2 numbers? Toussaint from the SDA Academy.
2S plus 12.
That is correct. A round of applause for SDA Academy. Down to the last few questions in these 2 categories. And we shuffle. Number operations. If the product shown, B, is a digit, compute the value of B if B2 times 7B equals 6,396. We have Sasha from Choiseul Secondary.
B is equal to 8.
That is correct. Round of applause for Choiseul Secondary. So there are some very exciting supporters in the audience. Great. Down to the last few questions. Let's get a little board a shuffle. Geometric questions. A square and a triangle have equal perimeters. The lengths of the 3 sides of the triangle are 6.2 centimeters, 8.3 centimeters, and 9.5 centimeters. What is the area of the square? Toussaint from SDA Academy.
36 centimeters squared.
That is correct. A round of applause for the SDA Academy. Two final questions. Let's shake up that board. And again, geometric questions. A haunted house has 7 windows. In how many different ways can George the ghost enter the house by one window and leave by a different window? We don't often see ghosts using windows now, do we? Well, a great question nonetheless. Sasha from the Choiseul Secondary.
7 ways.
That is incorrect. 3 contestants have a chance to answer. Alexi from Leon Hess Comprehensive.
49.
That is incorrect. Vieux and SDA have a chance to answer. SDA Academy, Toussaint.
28.
That is incorrect. Vieux has 1 chance to answer.
26.
Sorry, Peter, that's incorrect. The correct answer for those at home and those in the audience is 42. There are 7 windows in the house. Once you enter one window, you can't exit, so you have 6 other possibilities. If that same term is used for all other windows, therefore, it is 7 multiplied by 6, which gives you 42 possible ways. And the correct answer is 42. Now we're on to the final question in this competition. Number operations. 2 numbers, n and 16, have the lowest common multiple, LCM, which is equal to 48, and the greatest common factor, GCF, equals to 8. Find n. This is the final question in the Mad About Math competition. Sasha.
8.
That is incorrect. Peter from the Vieux Comprehensive Secondary School.
3.
That is incorrect as well. Toussaint, SDA Academy.
24.
That is correct. Keep that applause going. Keep that applause going. Right. Now that was mathematics competition at its finest. What an exciting competition we had today. Let's go over the scores really quickly. We have the SDA Academy in the lead with 150 points, followed by Choiseul Secondary with 40 points. And we have Vieux Comprehensive and Leon Hess Comprehensive locked in a tie at 30 points each. So this means that we are now moving on to the homework section, otherwise known as the tiebreaker, where Vieux and Leon Hess will go head-to-head in tiebreaker action to determine the 3rd and 4th place in the National Mathematics Competition, BOSL Mad About Math. We'll be right back.
There's a time in every life when you ponder what do I want out of life. Make deposits a habit, take your money and grow it, save that seed and plant it, that cash in hand you gotta understand. Save it, increase it, now you've got it. You let your dreams and your money grow when you have a habit of deposit. Start building your wealth today, grow your money with BOSL, all the bank you need.
Welcome back. Now into the exciting tiebreaker round, otherwise known as homework. Vieux Comprehensive, represented by Peter Moyston, going up against Leon Hess Comprehensive, represented by Alexi Charles. Now the tiebreaker works this way. Each question is worth 5 points. The first person to answer the tiebreaker question correctly secures their 3rd place spot. And we go straight into the action in the random category. Let's give it a shuffle. Now on to the tiebreaker question. Students are competing in 3 races. First place gets 5 points, second place 3, and third place 1 point. There are no ties. What is the smallest number of points that a student must earn in the 3 races to be guaranteed of earning more points than any other student? And the tiebreaker is on. Leon Hess and Vieux Comprehensive racing to the final. Alexi of Leon Hess.
13.
That is correct. Round of applause. So this brings us to the end of some exciting mathematics action. In 4th place, we have Peter Moyston of the Vieux Secondary School with 30 points. In 3rd place, we have Alexi Charles from the Leon Hess Comprehensive School with 35 points. In 2nd, Sasha Anius from the Chozelle Secondary School. Congratulations. And in 1st place, and our 2014 champion, Mr. Toussaint Javed from the SDA Academy. A round of applause for our competitors. Congratulations to all of you. And remember, in Javed Samuel's words, you are all winners. You've gotten to this point. You should be very proud of yourselves for representing yourselves and your schools. When we return, the exciting prize giving round. Stay tuned.
Are the reason we do. The loans that make houses homes, making your business grow, always giving you more, investing in our future, building infrastructure. Taking a chance on your passion, giving you more, our #1 mission. You are the reason we do. Because we believe in you. Yes, you. Hundreds and thousands of you. We're the Bank of St. Lucia, the bank you need.
Welcome back to the Bank of St. Lucia Mad About Math Championships. And now for the exciting moment. The prizes for the Bank of St. Lucia competition. In 4th place, representing the Vieux Comprehensive Secondary School, Mr. Peter Moyston. In 3rd place, representing the Leon Hess Secondary School, Alexi Charles. Bank of St. Lucia Mad About Math first runner-up, representing the Chozelle Secondary School, Sasha Anius. Round of applause for Sasha. And the 2014 Bank of St. Lucia Mad About Math champion, who receives an Apple iPad and a Bank of St. Lucia bank account valued at $1,000, as well as a trophy for his school. None other than Toussaint Javed of the SDA Academy. A round of applause for all your winners. Special thanks to Mrs. Maria Powell, Senior Manager, Marketing and Corporate Communications for the ACFH Group. Special thanks also to Mrs. Angela Marriott, Education Officer at the Curriculum and Materials Development Unit. Thank you as well to the Ministry of Education, Human Resource Development and Labour, and all the staff at CAMDU, in particular the math specialist, Ms. Janella Giffard, to our judges, Mr. Ian Hippolyte and Ms. Chrissa Johnny, to our friends at Orange Media, and our supporting partners, HTS. Thank you for tuning in to the 2014 Bank of St. Lucia Mad About Math competition. Until next time, I'm Omari Frederick, and keep math going until something adds up.